Ooh. Lip gloss check. Your girl look good. Y'all, I look good.
Energy is the chemistry. Oh. Give me something that I never had. Give me something that'll meet you halfway. A little something that's gonna make it last. One for you, one for me. I need you.
What's up, Mo fam? It's your girl, the real Moesha, and I'm back with another video. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you've been here, if you've been Mo fam, welcome back. But well, hold on. Like, y'all can't get enough of this. Like, look at my hair, y'all. My hair ain't never, my curls ain't came out like this in I don't know how long. So I'm just admiring my curls in this camera. Like, it look good. And then this lip gloss like popping. First of all, make sure y'all go follow at Mo Soft Skin. Get y'all some lip gloss, get y'all some body shimmer, get y'all some lip scrubs, get y'all some all that good stuff, okay? So on my lips right now, it's my candy corn gloss, and this is one of my fall glosses. This is the last fall gloss I made, which I have 3. So y'all make sure y'all go get y'all fall glosses, because baby, if you don't got Mo Soft Skin gloss, what you doing? What is you doing? Like, baby, come on now. I know y'all rock with me. I know y'all rock with me. So I just know y'all got at least all of my glosses. So y'all look at my purse. First of all, like, first of all, the purse. Look at this. I almost dropped the gloves. Look at all this. All this gloss. Oops. In my purse. And I got some more. Like, I just got a purse full of gloss, y'all, because I like to have a selection of what I can choose from. Like, if I don't want to wear this gloss today, I'm gonna wear this gloss today. But your girl gotta make sure she have at least 3 glosses in her purse, even though I got like 10. But guess what? It's never too much gloss. But we're gonna get into this video, y'all. And first of all, let me introduce y'all. I'm gonna put my business Instagram right here in case y'all want to go check out your girl, and I'm gonna put my Instagram feed right here so you guys can see it, and go follow your girl, go shop with me, go get you some lip gloss, because your girl got all the lip gloss on, and y'all want to get that. And I got all my lip bubble melons ready and waiting on y'all, because Mo Soft Skin is popping, honey. I know you heard about me. I know you heard about at Mo Soft Skin. Y'all go get y'all gloves. But y'all, today I'm gonna do a business Q&A. I picked 5 questions because I did a little poll on Instagram. It wasn't really a poll, but the thing where you ask questions, and I let people ask me questions so I could film this YouTube video. It's a business Q&A, and I just picked 5 questions out of it, and I feel like I'm gonna be able to explain it like through these 5 questions. So these are going here. So if y'all see me looking down, I'm on my iPad, but let's get into this video, okay? So the first question I got is there any tips that I would give for starting a business if you're about to start up a business? I would say, make sure, like y'all, do y'all research. Make sure you do research on what you want to sell, so that you won't be lost, or so that you won't know what you're talking about when you are talking about your products or whatever it may be that you are selling. Make sure that you do your research. That's number 1. Make sure you, first of all, make sure you know what you want to sell, because you don't want to do nothing that you're not passionate about or that you don't like doing, because that's the number one thing with people is people just do everything like for the money. It's not about the money. It's to a certain I can't say this word, to a certain extent, certain extent. I believe that's what it is. That's the correct word. I feel like I just don't know how to say it properly. But to a certain extent, it's about the money, but it's not about the money. Like, as long as you're doing what you love, the money gonna come, because people gonna see it, people gonna rock with you as long as you're doing what you love. So don't worry about the money. Do it because you love doing it. Like, don't do it because you see this person doing it. Don't do that. Don't do that, because that's not gonna get you nowhere. And we don't want to start up no businesses, because people don't realize that when you start a business, it gets real. But we're gonna get into that another time. So I feel like those will be the tips I would give on starting a business. Be prepared, at least kind of be prepared, but you won't always be like, you won't know everything going into, you know, your business, but you will learn as you go. But just make sure you kind of prepare and do your research, and you know what you want to do, and you know the reason why you want to do it. So those will be the tips on starting. Second question, is it easy or hard being your own business owner? Baby, let me tell you. Okay, y'all, let me quit playing. But I feel like as a business owner, you have your high and your lows. Like, sometimes you become unmotivated. Sometimes you feel like things is not going the way that you really want them to go. It's not easy. It's fun, but it's not always easy. Like, it's a lot of stuff that you have to do as a business owner. So it can get hard, and it does get hard. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and say that it's not hard times, because it definitely is hard. Like, you have to deal with customers, like with grumpy customers sometimes, like people that just have something to say just because, like, you can know like that something, you can know like that people, they'll make a situation out of nothing. Like, they just say something about you because they feel like they just want to, just to start something up. Or like, you have to be ready for all that. Like, you have to be ready for the feedback, the bad reviews, the people talking to you any type of way. Like, you have to be ready for all that. Not saying that you got to take that, because you don't. By any means, you do not have to take that. You don't at all. So don't just sit and just let people talk to you any type of way, because it's not that. It's not that. You are human, just like everybody else is human, and everybody makes mistakes. So keep that in mind. So yeah, it's not always easy. So yes, it does get hard. Number 3, what made you start a business? For me, just being honest, just being raw, just being real. The real Moesha, okay? I never liked working for nobody else. Since I'm 22 years old, I'm almost 23 in April. And every job I have worked since I was 16 years old. When I was 16, my mom made me get a job. So, I worked, my first job was Taco Bell. I hated it. Like, I hated it going in. I just, for me, I just don't like working for no one else. I don't like trading my time, like doing something that I don't like doing, like trying to put it in a way that is not like, oh, she talking down on jobs, because I'm not talking down on jobs, nobody careers, none of that. I'm just talking about me and my personal experience. I don't like working for nobody else. I like to do what I like to do. I like to live life on my own terms. I like to go. I like to travel. I just like to do a lot of stuff. So at first I went to college. I worked and I saved up and stuff to go to college. And after that, I worked for a little bit longer here where I'm at, but it's different for different people. So therefore, I'm speaking on myself. Like, I'm not speaking on everybody else's situation. I'm speaking about me. So therefore, that's what I like to do. I like to travel. I know my lifestyle. I know what I like to do. So therefore, I was like, the only way that I'm gonna be able to do my lifestyle is by doing my own thing. And that's just what I wanted to do. I went to college for 3 years, and kind of lost myself in college, and I just figured like this is not what I want to do. This is not what I want to do. Like, I wanted to counsel. I went to college for counseling, but my type of counseling is just not. I like to talk how I like to talk to people. Like, I inspire so many people, and so many people tell me that, and that's what I love to do. That's what I love to do. And so therefore, I didn't want to go to college to get a degree in counseling when I can give someone inspiration or encouraging words for free, you know. So I dropped out of college for that. And I know this is long, but this ties back into the question of, you know, how I started my business. So I dropped out of college my 3rd year, and I don't look back. I don't regret it. And I started Mo Soft Skin. Mo Soft Skin was originally for skincare. It was more of scrubs and toners and body butters and stuff like that, in which I may bring the scrubs back because everyone loved the scrubs. Everyone did love the scrubs, but I felt after a while I just got a little tired, so I got more into lip gloss, which I love, like I love it. So I started my business basically because I wanted to be my own boss. I wanted to live life on my own terms. I wanted to do what I wanted to do. I wanted to help people. I wanted to inspire people. So that's kind of what, you know, made me start my business, start my own business. Number 4, what keeps you motivated? What keeps me motivated is actually just knowing the lifestyle that I want and the lifestyle that I'm trying to get to. That's what keeps me going. Also, my significant other, he keeps me going. He keeps my head on straight sometimes when I kind of fall short. He keeps my head on straight. My nieces, my sisters, sometimes I do get unmotivated, don't get me wrong. Like, not every day that you just want to get up and just like get out of bed. Like, some days you just want to lay in bed, but some days you got to get up. Like, every day you have to get up. So yeah, my freaking camera died on me. Oh my god. But like I was saying, not every day you want to, you know, get up. You just want to lay down in bed and stuff like that. But you have to get up and you have to show up for your business every day, because it's people looking up to me, and I know that I got to do what I got to do, especially to deliver for all my customers, because that's one thing that I don't play about is my customers. My Mo fam don't play about, period. So don't do it. Don't do it, okay? So yes, that's what keeps me motivated. That's what keeps me, you know, very motivated. My family, my supporters, the people that look up to me, that's what keeps me motivated. So question number 5, do you ever want to give up? Plain and simple, easiest answer ever, no. I don't want to give up, because I know me. I know who I am. I just don't ever want to give up. Like, that's just not who I am. Like, I'm not a quitter. I like to take risks. I like to do things. So therefore, no, I don't want to ever give up. If you ever feel like you want to give up, reach out to me. I will be quick and easy to talk to you, because that's just who I am. Try to find something that you cope with. Try to find something that motivates you to keep you going. Try to look at inspirational videos, look at encouraging words, quotes. Like I said, you may reach out to me because, you know, I just want to see the best for everybody. So like I said, no, I don't want to give up. No, I came too far to, and I don't want to, and I'm not going to. So that's just that. And that was the 5 questions I had. And someone also said, this isn't a question, but you inspire me so much. And I truly do appreciate that. Like, y'all don't know. Like, y'all really don't know. Like, I play and stuff like that. But y'all, like, I really do appreciate, you know, y'all. Like, because if it wasn't for y'all, it wouldn't be no Mo Soft Skin. Like, it wouldn't be none of that. Like, so I truly appreciate every subscriber that I have. I appreciate the comments, the love, the support, the purchases, the everything that y'all do just to support me. I really do appreciate that. Like, I really do. Mo Soft Skin has shipped to over half of the United States. So y'all tell me that I don't have people supporting me. Like, I know y'all support me, and I really, really love y'all for that. And just as much as I inspire y'all, y'all inspire me. Y'all help me to keep going. So I love y'all, and I really thank y'all for tuning in. If you got any more video suggestions you would like to hear about, any more questions, anything, just drop them in the comments, because I just may do a video about it. So if y'all have any other questions that y'all just want to talk to me about, or just reach out. I'll leave everything in the description so you guys can reach out to me, comment, do whatever y'all want to do. But just make sure y'all go follow MoSoftSkin on Instagram. Make sure y'all go follow MoSoftSkin on Instagram. Make sure that y'all subscribe to this video if you haven't already. Hit that post notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl posts something, okay? Because you don't want to miss none of this content. Okay? Because everybody gonna know who I am. Everybody gonna know the real Moesha, okay? Everybody gonna know MoSoftSkin, hair flip, okay? Like, y'all gonna know. Y'all already know, but the new people, like, y'all come on in. Welcome to the Mo family. Like, we got plenty of room for you. So yes, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in to this video. I love y'all so much, and I will be back with another EP soon. And